Hi guys, can you believe for $30 I got this jewelry jar at my local thrift shop today? I cannot wait to see what we have inside. Let's check it out. I saw this really nice necklace on top, and I also saw this red necklace, which I think is red coral. It's like Christmas, everyone. Okay, so this green one is a plastic necklace. I couldn't tell if it was stone or not from looking at it, but this is definitely plastic. Wow, this is gorgeous. Beautiful. Red coral. What else can we find? Oh, these are little angels. Earrings. Brooch. A lot of brooches in this one. Oh, wow. How beautiful is this? There's a lot of nice pieces in here. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. That's an earring. These are clip-on earrings. Really nice. And I wonder if they glow. Oh my goodness. Score! It looks like a broken bracelet. Clip-on. I'm going to try to go quickly. There are a lot of things here, and I don't want to bore you. AB crystal clip-ons. I can't wait to show my friends on Whatnot. Oh, that's gorgeous. Blingy necklace. Wow. That is stunning. Clip-ons. I love clip-ons. This is a... Can't tell. It is a signed brooch. It might say Judy Lee. We're gonna do a little dump. Ooh, those are nice. These are signed. They might be Coro. Oh no, I think these are Sarah Coventry's. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have fun with this. These are more clip-ons. There's a lot of clip-ons in here. Personally, I only wear clip-ons. Oh, those are so nice. I've had trouble with pierced earrings. The clip-ons work better for me. Brooch. This is so exciting. Oh, wow. Stick pin. Kramer. I think that says Kramer. These are earrings. I gotta be careful because some of the brooches, the pins might be up and I don't want to get pricked. Cute. These are pierced. I'm trying to get at this necklace. Wow, this is pretty. That is so cute. I love that. More clip-ons. Lots of clip-ons. So stretchy. Oh, wow, this is pretty. Clip-on. Gorgeous. Got some hoops. Oh, wow. These poodle brooches like this, it's missing one rhinestone, but I can fix that. These go for a lot. I think that one is signed something here. You know what? There's something covering the name. Poodle brooches go for a lot on the web. I'm not quite sure. Oh, I think that was a necklace. I definitely am going to have a few pieces to repair, but I'm able to do some of it. Oh, that's so pretty. Kramer. There's a lot of Kramer pieces. Oh, wow. This kind of looks like that bracelet that we first saw with the AB crystals. It's not the same color though. More clip-ons. That's interesting. Cloisonne earring. I may even find some of the rhinestones on the bottom of the jar. That's a Monet. I'm just so excited. This is awesome. Oh, that's pretty. Bracelet. That is so pretty. More AB crystals. Clip-ons. What? Wow. That is nice. I can't tell if this is broken, this part here, or if it was made that way. But it is pretty. Wow. So stay tuned. At the end of the video, what I'll do is I'll put some highlights from what we found in here. So some of the best items, I'll put some pictures to highlight the best items. Right now I'm just trying to dig through. There's so much in this one. This was a great find. It's cute earring. And this is the same place I usually buy my jewelry jars, and most times all of the earrings have matches, which is wonderful. Ah, this is a cute little purse brooch. That's so neat. So many unique things. Oh, that's different. Let's just kind of shake it a little. Unfortunately, I don't want to knock out some of these beautiful rhinestones. Unfortunately, with some of these jewelry jars, sometimes the rhinestones come out. They're so delicate as it is, and they're very old, like 60 years old. So, oh, these are really nice. These are earrings. I can't see if they're signed, but wow, isn't that pretty? Some necklaces. This is some sort of stone. Oh, that's fancy. What is this? Oh, wow. Love it. Oh, it's too bad this is missing some rhinestones. Oh, it looks like it was a belt. Part of a belt? Huh. Or is this a... Oh, this is a bracelet, and you go like this. That's why these are missing. It's a bracelet. Beautiful. Rhinestones definitely sell. And especially AB crystal rhinestones. Oh, this is pretty. Giovanni. I was so excited when I saw this at the thrift store. Oh, this is missing some. Darn. Well, like I said, they might be at the bottom. I think they just put this jar out today too, because the date on there, it has the 17th. Today's the 17th. A lot of brooches in here, some necklaces, some bracelets, a lot of earrings. Wow. This is a necklace. Not sure if it's signed. It's not signed. That's pretty. Comment below what your favorite piece is. I'm just gonna, these are mostly earrings, I believe. Small things, so we're just gonna kind of dump that out. Anybody need a wine glass? Yeah, there's a few rhinestones on the bottom. I might be able to salvage some of these pieces. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. I don't see any signatures. I'm really surprised. That's beautiful. And does it glow? Sometimes the pink ones. No, that one does not glow. We're going to put that one aside. We have the matching earrings. Earrings are not signed. Wow. Oh, that one's missing a rhinestone. How cute is this? Cute little bell. Avon, I think. Thank you guys so much for checking out my recent jewelry jar discoveries. Comment below if you think I got my $30 worth. Love it. So it's going to take some time, but I'm going to sort through this stuff, and a lot of this is going to be on my Whatnot shows coming up, so check me out. My name is Star884.